Automatic identification of resistance measurements. AC current measurement. The current can be measured without breaking the skin of the wire. Only a single core wire can be measured, not two wires can be measured. DC voltage measurement. Voltage regulator output voltage measurement. AC voltage measurement. AC voltage regulator measurement accuracy. Hertz measurement. Current AC frequency value. Line on-off buzzer detection. A buzzer means that the line is good and not damaged. No buzzer means that the line is in poor contact or disconnected. Diode measurement. Distinguish the positive and negative electrodes before measurement. Capacitance measurement. Auto-ranging to measure the capacitance. Long press to turn on the flashlight, backlight bright screen. NCV non-contact induced voltage.